So this week, let's take a look at the standard probe, which is the left-hand probe, which comes with most of your machines. So here, as you said, the chamfer is on the left, the functional edge is on the right. Now, I have an end mill here, which is a right-hand helix, right-hand cut. So when you can imagine digitizing the index lead or index on one of these end mills, your helix is actually in this direction in a right hand, and the probe, if you look very closely, you have a knife edge at the bottom, which is what I said, is around 50 microns, and the contact, because of the direction of the helix, the contact is always on the right, and you will always get the correct index position on this with this probe on the end mill. And but it is quite important that this knife edge width is entered correctly during your qualification. So during your qualification, we do ask for a right hand probe and left hand probe. If you look at the standard probe, there is a parameter we ask, which is the knife edge width, and this is very critical because if you are using the same probe for a left hand helix tool, the contact of the knife edge will be on this side, which is on the left side, and then if the knife edge width is not entered correctly, you could get a difference in the index position, which in turn like comes out, and your diameter could be slightly wrong because you are not exactly picking up the right cutting edge. Now next week I'll explain through where a right hand probe is used and what is the main functionality of the right hand probe.